But all this to get rejected, over 75% resumes are rejected Tinder for resumes. This is the most important point. Recruiter को नहीं जानना कि तुमने चौथी बार अपना CV सेव किया है. Be the main character of your resume. ATS पास हो भी जाएगा तब भी final call तो एक human ही लेगा ना. You make the resume and they help you make it work. I wasted 3 days in perfecting my resume. और font भी ऐसा लगाया था कि HR impress ही हो जाए. But all this to get rejected? Your resume might not even be seen by a real person. It is literally getting rejected by a robot. Over 75% resumes are rejected before a human even sees them. Today we will talk about ATS, what is it, how it works and how to beat it. क्योंकि इंसान हमेशा रोबोट से आगे रहेंगे. A company receives hundreds of applications every day and it's very difficult to go through each one of them manually. वहीं आता है ATS, Applicant Tracking System, which is like a Tinder for resumes because it swipes left and right. It scans, sorts and filters resume based on the keywords relevant to that job role. And if ATS doesn't find what it's looking for, your resume is rejected. Now let's see how an ATS system works. क्योंकि किसी की strategy पता होगी, तुम तभी उसे हरा पाओगे. As soon as you submit your resume, it breaks your resume file into chunks like these. Because एक robot को सिर्फ data समझ आता है. It does not go through your resume like a human. Also, if you've made your resume super fancy and colorful, it may misread it. Now the ATS will scan your resume for the keywords relevant to that job. So job description में लिखा है Excel, SQL and data analysis, ये वही ढूंढेगा. It ranks you based on how close your resume is to what they are looking for. And if yours don't match, then 2025 में competition बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है. So if your resume is not ATS friendly, it doesn't matter how skilled or qualified you are because your resume won't even reach the recruiter. And अब सिर्फ कीवर्ड से काम नहीं चलेगा. It analyzes your tone, soft skills and context. So you need a smart strategy. No tables, no columns, no items. कुछ भी extra मत डालो. Just single column formatting with basic fonts like Calibri or Arial like this. Readable over pretty any day. This is the most important point. Speak the job's language. Use keywords from the job description. Give them what they want. If the job description says data visualization, use it as long as it's true for you. If it mentions front-end development with React, use it. Follow this order while making your resume. Also, save your resume in this format and not this, please. Recruiter को नहीं जानना कि तुमने चौथी बार अपना CV सेव किया है. Achievements over responsibilities. Manage social media. Grew Instagram engagement by 40%. Made projects in Java. Object-oriented programming in Java. Use numbers, tools, and results. Be the main character of your resume. Spelling mistakes and typos, a big red flag, bhai. Use tools like Grammarly, zoom in and double check everything. Okay, तो मान लो तुमने ये सब follow करके एक ATS friendly resume बना लिया. The bots will like it, 100%. But what about the recruiters यार? ATS पास हो भी जाएगा तब भी final call तो एक human ही लेगा ना. That's exactly where a mentor steps in. They help you spot what you can't see, what to cut, what to highlight, and how to make your resume actually stand out. Basically, you make the resume and they help you make it work. पर mentor कहाँ से ढूंढूं अब? अरे Unstock है ना. It has got mentors who have helped thousands of students fix their resumes, crack interviews, and actually get hired. Not just generic gyan, but solid real-world advice from people who have been on both sides of the hiring table. So don't stress, you're not alone in this. Here's a quick checklist to make sure that your resume passes the test. तो बन गया ना resume? If you want templates of ATS friendly resumes, check out the link given in the description box below. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel if you haven't and be unstoppable.